children. How are you all? I hope you're all doing good. So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and this is Feathercap, People and Places, chapter number 10, that is self-government in villages and towns. So you might have heard of the words from your parents like municipal corporation, municipal committee, or panchayat. What are these words stand for? So as we know, India is a diverse country. There are a lot of villages and towns where a lot of people live. So to help them to take care of all their needs, there are some self-government which are made in the village and the towns both. So in this chapter, we are going to study about the self-government in the villages and in the towns and cities. So I hope you are all ready with your books. Let's start now. Our country has many villages and cities. Many people live in cities, but most of the people live in villages. Our country is divided into a lot of villages and cities. In both the places, people live there, right? Villages may be in, cities may be in. There are a lot of people are living in villages. So villages and cities have their needs and problems. So both villages and cities have their different kinds of problems. The people elect a group of persons. So someone has to take care of these problems, right? So the people elect a group of persons. थोड़े से लोगों को elect किया जाता है. It looks after the needs and the problems of the people. And what does the people do? They take care of the needs and the problems of these people. In villages, this group of person is called village panchayat. So don't get confused between village panchayat and your municipal committee. The difference is that in the village, group of person is called village panchayat, and in the cities it is known as municipal committee. So village is your village panchayat, ये तो नाम से ही पता लग जाएगा. And in your cities it is known as municipal committee. So village panchayats and municipal committees are called local self-government. So in municipal committee को और village panchayat को ही बोला जाता है local self-government. Now village panchayat. All women and men 18 years of age and above elect the members of the village panchayat. All the women and the men of the village who are 18 years or above, they elect the members of the village panchayat. The members are called panchas. इन्हीं लोगों को panchas बोला जाता है. Each village panchayat now has at least one women member. So now it is necessary to have one women member in these panchas. Panchas is basically 5. In Hindi, panchas is denoted by letter 5, जो 5 को बोला जाता है और उसमें से एक women candidate होना बहुत जरूरी है. The panchas elected their head called प्रधान और सरपंच. So ये जो पंच होते हैं ये एक इंसान को elect करता है जो उनका प्रधान या फिर सरपंच बनता है. Now pradhan is elected directly by the people. Now all the people directly elect the pradhan or sarpanch. Every big village has a village panchayat. हर बड़े village में एक village panchayat होती है. 2 or 3 small villages have a common panchayat. So if the villages are small, 2 or 3 will come together and they will make a panchayat. The members of the village panchayat meet regularly. So they meet regularly at a particular interval. They sit together to look into the needs of the villagers. So what do? They sit together, they do the meetings and they look after the needs of the people. Now they appoint a gram sevak to help the villagers. अब villagers की help करने के लिए एक ग्राम सेवक को appoint किया जाता है. The main functions of the village panchayat are as follows. So what are the functions of the village panchayat? To keep the village clean, साफ सफाई रखना. To provide safe drinking water to villagers. सब villagers को साफ सुथरा पानी पहुंचाना. To build and maintain the village roads and street lights. वहाँ की लाइटों को ठीक करवाना या फिर roads के ऊपर ध्यान देना. To look after the education of the children and the adults of the village. And to look after the education system of the children and the adults. To set up and run healthcare centers in the village to look after the sick. जो बीमार हैं उनके लिए health centers set up कराना. To improve the condition of agricultural and small scale industry in the village. जो एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्री है या फिर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री है उनकी कंडीशंस को इम्प्रूव करना. To help settle minor disputes between the villages. There is a very common thing in the villages that there is a dispute between the people. So these disputes are settled by the village panchayat only. The village panchayat needs money for all these works. It collects money from each family. So to tackle all the needs, to cope up with all the needs and the things, the village panchayat needs money. So it collects money from each family. And the state government also gives financial aid for big projects. And if there is any big projects, there are any big projects in the village, the government, state government will help the villages. Now, municipal committee. A municipal committee functions in a city. Men, women, 18 years of age or above elect the members of the municipal committee. So municipal committee may be same ही है. The people, the men and women who are 18 years or above, they elect the members of the municipal committee. The city is divided in many sections called wards. हर city को छोटे छोटे sections में divide कर दिया जाता है and each section is known as a ward. One member is elected from each ward और हर ward से एक member elect किया जाता है. Now every municipal committee must have at least one women member. So as there is a one women member in panchayat also, there will be a women member in municipal committee as well. In most big cities like Delhi, municipal committees are called corporation. जो बड़ी cities होती हैं वहाँ पे इन municipal committees को corporation बोला जाता है. The head of the municipal committee is a chairman. So the head of the municipal committee is known as chairman, but the head of the corporation is known as a mayor. In some cities, chairman or mayor is elected directly by like the members. So जैसे बाकी members को elect किया जाता है उसी तरीके से ही बहुत जगहों पे chairman और mayor को भी directly लोगों के through ही elect किया जाता है. The members of the corporation are called councillors. So the members of the corporation are known as the councillors. What are the main functions of municipal committee now? To keep the city clean by organizing and disposal of waste, setting up public toilets and etc. So how do they keep the city clean? By organizing collection की जो garbage है उसको कहाँ dispose करना चाहिए, किस तरीके से उसका collection होना चाहिए, and to set up the public toilets. Second thing, to arrange supply of safe drinking water. ये हमने village में भी देखा था, आपको याद हो तो village पंचायत का भी same function है, to supply the safe drinking water, to maintain street lights and roads. So the functions of the village panchayat and the municipal committee are more or less the same. To open and run primary health centers and hospitals. So this was also the function of the village panchayat. Now to provide free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. The children who are up to 14 years, they should be provided free and compulsory education. To construct and maintain roads and parks, and to look after the basically to look after the public property. To organize literacy program for adults, जो बड़े लोग हैं उनके लिए literacy programs को organize करवाना, fairs organize कराना, ये exhibition जितनी भी होती है cities में. So these all things are looked after by your municipal committee. To arrange for local transport by city bus also. So local transport so that the people does not face any problem to go from one place to another. Local transport को arrange कराना. Now the municipal committee needs money to do all these things. So to take care of all the needs of the people, they need money. They get money from the people in the form of house tax, water tax, etc. So to cater all the needs, they need money and they collect in the form of the taxes from the people only in the form of house tax and water tax. It also gets government aid for welfare schemes. So इसको government से भी पैसे मिलते हैं if the welfare schemes are organized. We must be good citizens and do our duty by keeping the village, town or city we live in clean. So as a good citizen, we should keep our locality. It can be a village, city or town. We should keep it clean. We must pay our taxes regularly too. And to help the government, these self-governments, we should pay our taxes timely. Now, classroom activity. First, write the one word for first the head of the village. So head of the village is known as your village panchayat is known as your sarpanch or pradhan. Second one is head of municipal committee. So head of municipal committee is chairman. Another one is your head of corporation. So head of corporation is known as mayor. Now take the correct answer. The people elect a group of person in village. This group of person is called village panchayat. Second, the panchas elected their head called. जो पंच अपने head को elect करते हैं, it is known as pradhan or sarpanch. The head of the corporation is, so it is mayor. Now fill in the blanks with the words given below. First, the members of the village panchayat elect a sarpanch. Second, a village panchayat settles the dash of the people. It settles the disputes of the people. Third point is the disputes. Now, a municipal committee gets money from the people in the form of taxes. So, house tax is the answer. Every village panchayat has at least one dash member. So, at least one women member. Now, fifth, big cities have dash. Big cities have corporations. Now, write true and false for the statements. First, the members of the village panchayat are chosen by the people who are 18 years and above. Yes, this is the same in village panchayat also and in your municipal committee. So, the answer is true. Most of the money for the municipal corporation comes from the taxes we pay. Yes, this is also true. All villages have a municipal corporation. No. All the towns, big cities have municipal corporation. So, this is false. There is at least one women member in village panchayat. Yes, that is also true. Now, the head of the municipal corporation is called sarpanch. No, the head of the municipal corporation is called the mayor. So, this is false. Match the following. Panchayat. So, panchayat, you will find the panchayats in village. Municipal committee you will find in the small city. Corporation are in big cities. And district, Zilla Parishad are in the districts. Now, answer the following questions. First, who is sarpanch? The head of the panch is your sarpanch. Each village panchayat has at least one woman. The panchayats elect their head, which is known as pradhan or sarpanch. So this is your answer number 1. जो पंचायत है वो अपने हेड को इलेक्ट करते हैं, which is known as your pradhan and sarpanch. Now question number 2. Who elects the member of the village panchayat? So the members of the village panchayat are elected by the men and the women who are of 18 years and above. Question number 3, write 3 functions of the village panchayat or municipal committee. So, we will write those functions which are mostly same. So, you can write from here only. You can write this function to keep the village clean, to keep the village and cities clean. You can write here to also provide a safe drinking water to the villagers and the people of the cities. So, this can be your second function. Third, to maintain and build the village roads and street lights. So, you can write to maintain and build the road and street lights. So, these are the 3 functions which are more or less the same in both the committees. Now, how does municipal committee get money for its expenses? So, the municipal committee gets money for its expenses in the form of taxes from the people, that is your house tax or water tax. So, this is your answer. Now, what is the work of the Gram Sevak? So, let's just go back. What does Gram Sevak do? The people of the panchayat sit together to look into the needs of the villagers. They appoint a Gram Sevak to help the villagers. So, basically, what does Gram Sevak do? It helps the villagers. So, you will write this point in your last answer. Now, we have done all the 5 questions. I hope everything was quite clear. Thank you so much. Happy learning.